Hello everybody, welcome to iExamBee's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty at iExamBee. In this video today I'm going to discuss with you all the analysis of the MH SET examination that was conducted on 26th of March 2023. Before we start with our discussion, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Legal Bee and stay updated with all such kind of beneficial content, strategic videos, analysis videos, and law concepts that you keep on getting in the form of various videos at Legal Bee. And also, if you want to check out any courses for government exam preparation at iExamBee. www.iexambee.com is the website. अगर आपकी कोई भी क्वेरीज हैं आप हमें hello@iexambee.com पे लिख सकते हैं, or else you can directly call on the number visible on the screen and get all the inputs. We have various courses at hand like IBPS, SEBI, and also we have actually started judiciary course, which is a 6 months course. I will give you the details towards the end of this video. बाकी सारे courses आप check out कर सकते हैं. And in this video I'm going to discuss with you all about the Maharashtra SET examination. This examination is taken up by those who want to become an assistant professor in the state of Maharashtra. This is a qualifying examination conducted by Savitribai Phule Pune University. So ये examination मैं आपके साथ जो discuss करने वाली हूँ, that is the law paper. It is actually having two papers. Paper 1 is common for all the subjects. So ये inputs आप सभी के लिए important होंगे. Those who are not even from the law discipline, but उनके लिए paper 1 के inputs तो important होने ही वाले हैं. So that we will be discussing. First I will discuss paper 1 and then I will be discussing about law paper questions that were asked in this examination. What was the difficulty level of this particular examination. ये एग्जाम साल में एक ही बार कंडक्ट होता है. और भी अगर आपकी कोई क्वेरीज है, यू कैन राइट टू अस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. द एग्जाम वाज ऑफ मॉडरेट लेवल दिस टाइम, and the paper 2 law I can say was moderately difficult as compared to paper 1. paper 1 थोड़ा easy था comparatively, and paper 1 में काफ़ी logical questions थे, कुछ तो general knowledge based questions थे. For example, I would share a question with you that was basing on the UPI payments app which is linked with Google, and the options were Bheem, Tez, and there were some other options. Paytm was there, MobiWik was there. 4 options होते हैं, आपको एक चूज करना होता है. तो ये थोड़ा जनरल नॉलेज पर बेस्ड भी है. सो लॉजिकल एंड जनरल नॉलेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस थे, and the level of questions that was good from all the topics in paper 1 was from research aptitude. You can say research aptitude से थोड़े से difficult level के questions आए थे बाकी सारे topics से अगर compare किया जाए तो. And let us see the questions that were asked from paper 1. Venn diagram का एक question था, last question था, and it was very easy, could quickly be solved by anybody. Logical reasoning से जो questions आए थे वो काफ़ी easy थे. 3 questions were there. Statement and conclusion based 1 question was there, that was also easy. If anybody knows how to draw a Venn diagram, he could very easily solve that question. Then Indian logic से एक question था, and that was also easy. Comprehension we can say was a bit moderate kind of, not very easy. और ये ऐसा होता भी नहीं है, सेट के एग्जाम में डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल इतना भी इजी नहीं होता है. कुछ लोग कहते हैं दैट कंपेयर टू यूजीसी नेट एग्जाम द स्टेट लेवल डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल इज़ लेस, बट वी कैन नॉट से दैट. ओवरऑल अगर देखा जाए तो मॉडरेट लेवल का पेपर था. इट इज़ गोइंग टू मैच द सिलेबस, and obviously syllabus is same only. It is going to match the levels of net, but no doubt net is having a bit lengthy questions. ये पेपर में lengthy questions नहीं थे as such. If we will compare, lengthy questions were not there, but the options were quite near to each other. Then the data that I have received is that research methodology, there were high level of questions, as I already told you. Comprehension was of moderate level. Data interpretation, there were 2 data interpretations that were asked, but the total number of questions were 5 only. If we see in UGC NET examination, they ask you 1 DI with 5 questions on the same DI, based on the same DI. But इस पेपर में आपके पहले 2 DIs थे. पहले DI के लिए जो आपको डाटा दिया था उसको आपको इंटरप्रेट करने के लिए 2 क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे उस पर, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन वाज द सेकंड क्वेश्चन which was having 3 questions based on it. So there were 2 DIs in all. and both were based on pie charts. Then they were a bit, we can say, tricky, not very easily solvable, but those who are good at maths and उनके लिए वो part of the paper अच्छा था. मैथ्स के भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस थे जो मीन्स अगर किसी का मैथ्स अच्छा है तो वो सॉल्व कर सकते थे, बट टाइम का इशू आता है पेपर 1 में, क्योंकि एमएच सेट एग्जामिनेशन का पेपर जो होता है फर्स्ट पेपर, इट इज़ कलेक्टेड आफ्टर 1 आवर. सो इट इज़ कलेक्टेड इन 1 आवर ओनली. जैसे आपको यूजीसी नेट एग्जाम में merge 3 hours मिलते हैं for solving both the papers, so you can divide your time according to your comfort, but you cannot do this in this examination. And there were a lot of questions from the communications unit also from paper 1. Let's move on to paper 2. From law, there were 10 questions on case laws itself, so it was a bit difficult. Law part was a bit difficult as compared to the first paper, I can tell you. Legal maxims से 2 questions थे. There were situation based questions that from IPC. एक जनरल डिफेंसेस से बेस्ड था और एक ऑफेंस ऑफ मर्डर, कल्पेबल होमिसाइड, उस पर बेस्ड था. मीन्स अ स्नेक एंड अ चार्मर एग्जाम्पल वॉज गिवन, that a person who is a snake charmer, ऐसा situation based question दिया गया था, and if you were having conceptual clarity you could have solved that question very easily. IPC से काफ़ी questions थे, बाकी के section based questions थे IPC में से, and one was from criminal conspiracy कि agreement is only punishable as a criminal conspiracy, or else you need an overt act also for that. So this was a conceptual and a logical question. अगर आपकी कंसेप्ट क्लियर है तो आप ये सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. 10 questions were from family law in the starting part of the paper only. So Hindu law as well as Muslim law was covered, and even case laws were asked from family law, and sources in Muslim law. In Hindu law you were having from schools, you had a question from Hindu succession, from Hindu marriage act. Even amendment based question was asked from Hindu marriage act. तो ये थोड़ा सा टफ था. Statement based questions as usual, every time it is asked in net also and in set also. From jurisprudence it is fixed कि आपको statement based questions आएंगे, book से related questions आएंगे, that was followed, the same thing which was expected. International law, 10 questions were there. A good weightage was given to international law also, which is actually given every time. And from all the important topics, one question was there. From sources, 1 question. From recognition, 1 question. Like that, the number of questions were quite predictable. From WTO 1 question, from UN 1 question, principles, ऐसे आपको क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे. तो इंटरनेशनल लॉ भी अगर आपने पढ़ाई की थी तो आपका पेपर काफ़ी अच्छा जाता. इट्स लाइक दैट. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल लॉ, 7 questions were there, but some questions अमेंडमेंट से बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस थे, आर्टिकल बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी थे, डायरेक्टली आर्टिकल बेस्ड, केस लॉज बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी थे. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव लॉ से भी केस लॉ बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस थे, एंड स्टेटमेंट्स ऑफ जूरिस्ट related 1 question was there. From constitution, 1 question I got to know was from the state of Nagaland related provisions. So that was a bit unexpected question that could be asked from constitutional law. We cannot say that special provisions पे focus नहीं करना चाहिए, but जनरली स्टूडेंट्स उतना प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं होते हैं उन क्वेश्चंस के लिए. लाइक दैट फ्रॉम इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑल्सो अ क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड. सो फ्रॉम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल लॉ ऑल दीज थिंग्स शुड हैव बीन टेकन केयर ऑफ. दैट वाज द थिंग दैट शुड हैव बीन टेकन केयर ऑफ फॉर दिस एग्जाम. जिसके पास डीप नॉलेज है उसका पेपर काफ़ी अच्छा जाता. Then from torts, 5 to 6 questions were there. From torts, actually, there were case laws based questions also, and basic concepts, maxim related also questions were there. Consumer Protection Act, 2 questions were there. One was from the match the following for the section based question was there, and contracts, 2 questions were there. Sale of Goods Act, 2 questions were there. Then company law, 3 questions were there, and that one was from case law. Company law also predictable questions were there though, and NI Act only 1 question was there, that was section based, that in which section negotiation is defined. LLP Act also 1 question was there. Environmental law, human rights, this area they had asked various conventions and protocols from both these areas, that's why I have mentioned it together. Then Human Rights Act 1993 के कुछ important areas पूछे गए थे. Geneva Convention का purpose पूछा था. Then Nagoya Protocol was asked. NGT related 1 question was there. So if you have in-depth knowledge about the legal subjects, you could have solved the paper very easily. Let's see when the answers keys come and what is the range of the cutoff. We will be able to understand that time even more. I will definitely try to bring a video at that time. And before I leave, I will update you with an expert session we are soon going to have at iExamB with Robin sir. He is a senior advocate practicing in Punjab and Haryana High Court and Chandigarh and Supreme Court of India, and he is having experience of more than 25 years. And he is going to guide you all on the point of litigation, judiciary, ADA and so on. जो भी law discipline से students हैं वो आगे क्या करना चाहते हैं, he is going to be the best mentor for you people. So don't miss this free workshop. Do register for it as soon as possible. And also, as I told you, judiciary revision and practice test course has been started at iExamB from 18th March. So do check out the details of this course. In this, you will be getting 2 tests per week and a class for means question discussion in 1 week. So do check it out, the details. You can also download the test plan and check out it in detail. So don't forget to subscribe to iExamB's Legal Bee and prepare 50% faster with iExamB.